Hello! Do you know how to work out the area of a parallelogram? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So, a parallelogram would look something like this, okay? And to work out the area, you only need to know two numbers. So we could have the width or the base like, I don't know, something like 2. And the height could be, let's just make up a bigger number, like 10, okay? And it's really simple. Because to work out the area, all you do is you times these numbers together. So you could go 2 times 10. And what would that equal? Yes! That would equal 20, wouldn't it? So really good. So that would be the area of this parallelogram. And just know, normally, with these types of questions, you may be given like a dimension like centimetres or metres. So if we change this to say centimetres, this answer would now be centimetres squared. So just know that. Alright, we'll use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!